Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dilan from Real Start. So today I'm ready to give you lesson number 6, sixth lesson, right? Okay. First tell me what's the name of our new lesson series? I mean this lesson series name, Let's Speak Broken English. Let's Speak Broken English. Today I'm going to talk about this clock. This is a wall clock. Today I'm going to talk about this clock. Okay, if there's a newcomer to this video or to my channel, please go to my introduction video, watch that video and come back to this video again. This is a special message for newcomers. Okay, now today I'm going to talk about this clock. Okay, you're going to learn about this clock. To describe this clock, to explain about this clock, I use broken English, right? I use simple English, right? I use broken English, okay, to explain about this clock. Then you can imitate me, you can act like me, you can explain like me. Take your clock, okay, take your clock and try to explain like me. I use broken English right now, okay? Now I use broken English. Now I'm going to explain, I'm going to describe about this clock. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, let's start. Okay, now I am going to talk about this clock. This is not watch. This is watch. This is watch, right? This is watch. This is clock. Wall clock. Very big and heavy clock. Name. Hello time is name of this clock. Okay. New name, hello time, right? Name. Then we can see numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? Okay, we can see numbers and we can see there are three hands, this one, this is we can say second hand, and this one minute hand. This is our hand. Okay, what? Our hand, our. Okay, so there are three hands. Every time it's going around, it's moving, moving, hands are moving. See, it's going everywhere, right? It means it's going around. Okay, it's going every time, moving. Very good. That second hand color is red color. This hand red. Then our hand and minute hand color black. Okay. Then there's a glass. This is, see, glass, not plastic. This is glass, but that black color part, plastic. This is glass, this is plastic. Name of this clock, hello time, right? Okay, and we can see it's a big clock. Numbers, and now we can talk about the back, right? This is the front side, this is back side of clock. Okay, we can see this is also plastic, and you can see machine, that clock machine, and we can see battery, and there's a small controller to set time, to change time. We can use this one. Good, very good, and electronic circuit inside. Very good. Battery, small battery. Very good. We can see nails, some small holes, small holes there. Then there's a small hole to hang somewhere I mean wall, to mount wall, hang, then we can hang like this, see, then this is a hole to hang your wall somewhere. But anyway, this is very important, we can see time, we can hang it, my room, my parents room, living room, we can hang. This is good. Time is very important, then we can see time, then we can like this, we can change the time, we can set time, using that machine, right? We can rotate, we can do like this, and we can change time. Very good, very important. Then you can buy this clock from your town. You can go to shop and you can buy a clock. I think this is not very expensive. I think this is about 1000 rupees, 2000, 3000. There are good clocks, alarm clocks, then there are alarms, and that those are very good, and big face watch, and this is little small, but there are clocks, big clocks you can buy, but very expensive. This is not expensive. I like this clock. Everywhere we can see clocks. Then you buy a clock. If you don't have, you buy a clock. And you can hang anywhere. You can hang anywhere, and you can see time. I think there are some clocks. This is an analog clock. It means hands. There are numbers, hands. It's rotating. But there are clocks, digital clocks also available. Digital clocks available in electronic shops. You can buy alarms. They have alarms, very good. But this clock, no alarm. Very basic clock, but good, very good. So I think you can explain your clock now. Take your clock and you explain. But anyway, this is very useful for me. I can work, I can start my works according to time. I see time and I start my works. I am very happy. So I think you can, I think you also like clocks, big clocks, small clocks, right? So I think this clock very important and very useful. Okay, my friends, now I explained about my clock. I described about my clock. You also can do it. You can do it. You act like me. Now you imitate me. Okay, take your clock and try to describe it. Use broken English. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's okay, right? Use broken English. I used broken English to explain about my clock, right? I used broken English and simple words, no big words, right? Simple words. I used broken English. And I explained about my clock. Okay, I think you can do it. Definitely you can do it. Try to do it right now. Take your clock and explain it. Okay, my friends, now I'm going to finish my today's lesson. If you have any questions, doubts, issues, you can call me. Use my contact number. My contact number is 07146434424. Thank you for watching this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this lesson, please share this lesson among your friends. Okay, then I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Till then, take care.